renovated right. Roof to kitchens to mechanicals. Character intact with thick trim, barn doors, and a big front porch. Welcome to 854 Queenston Road in the Preston area of Cambridge. Inside, the main living areas show off the hefty millwork and updated finishes, bright, comfortable, and easy to live in every day. The kitchen is refreshed with modern updates and a smart layout. Opening to the main floor spaces so you can cook, chat, and keep on with the day. Upstairs, the bedrooms are tidy and calm, the primary including a walk-in closet. Bathrooms have been updated, so there's nothing on your weekend list but unpacking. Downstairs, the lower level adds a newly finished bedroom plus room for storage and hobbies. Out back, the yard is fully fenced, great for kids, pets, and summer evenings. A great bonus, this detached 2-car garage. It can pull double duty as a workshop, and the driveway parks 4. Updated everywhere that matters, with the character you actually want. To see this home in person, contact Kathy Long and Luann Hansey from RE/MAX Twin City Realty.